We're going to add our butter into our clarified butter, and we are going to melt them in the microwave or in the double boiler. Once it is completely melted, we are going to transfer it into a bigger bowl, and we are going to beat them for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we are going to add our icing sugar and beat it for about another 5 minutes. Okay, we've got a very smooth dough. It's ready for the next stage. Now we are going to take equal amounts of our dough, spread it and open it, and put half of the pecans or walnuts in the middle and close them, and just arrange it on the baking tray. Just when you are making these sweets, just try to smooth out all the surface so there is no line left as much as you can. Bake it to 170 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, they are ready. At the moment they are very hot and you cannot touch them because they are very tender and they might fall apart. Let them to a bit cool down, and then we are going to dust them.